Bison burgers, guys. It's gonna be my first time ever trying Bison, so I'm gonna try to make these burgers and see what it do. Check it out, guys. I got white truffle salt that I'm gonna throw on the burger. I'm gonna keep it simple. Black pepper and garlic. All right. I'm gonna give that a karate chop right there, and I'm gonna form 2 patties. First time trying elk for the first time. Let's see what this is, what the fuss is about. Get some big burgers. They're gonna shrink on the grill though. Pinch the sides right there. Let that opening up on you. Alright. There's a little elk burger right there. Pinch some of these sides right here. Close some of the crevices. Alright. I'm gonna do this now. Season it. Look at the truffle. That's pieces of actual truffle. Look at that piece of truffle. Get in there. Get in there, buddy. I'm gonna do both sides like this. A little black pepper, a little garlic, and I'm gonna repeat it on the other side as well. Simple seasoning, simple. Sometimes you get more seasoning out of less is more. I don't know if you ever heard that term, less is more. There's people, they put like 100 different seasonings, and then when you taste it, it still tastes like crap. All right, guys, I'm gonna put a little oil. This is a correction, guys. I made a mistake at the beginning. I was calling it elk burger, and it's bison. So, YouTube police and all the guys that want to souffle me in the comments, hey, we all make mistakes. I put in some oil on there. I had them in the freezer for a little bit. They don't stick. And I'm gonna throw them on the grill outside. Let me wash my hands. I'll be back. Alright, throwing it on indirect heat, guys. And then I'm gonna stop the flame. I'm gonna stop this flame right here from spreading. Let me check on this. Looking good. The bison is looking good. Do it nice and gently, so it don't fall apart. I just have a spatula. I don't know what it is. Alright, this is on indirect heat. I'm gonna finish them off right there on that hot part. Then I'm gonna throw them back in the indirect side, and I'm gonna melt the cheese on top. Ready? You ready? Mm-hmm. I'm gonna turn these I keep calling this elk, but it's not elk. Bison burgers. Right now it's on the hot side. Got my little tomatoes here, and then I'll start assembling. Bison. I cooked them in indirect heat. Now it's directly on the heat. I'm gonna start throwing my bread. Just heat up. All right, looking good. Cheese right there. Top on, let that melt right there. All right, check that cheese out. That's Swiss cheese. Swiss on there. All right, guys, I'm gonna take them out. I'm gonna rest them right here on my cutting board. Rest right there. Alright. I'm gonna put some mayonnaise on this. Here you guys, I like mayonnaise in mine. The bottom part, so I'm gonna throw tomatoes at the bottom and some spinach. Slices. Good. Okay. Onions on the top right there. Mayonnaise on the top. That right there is your bison burger. Alright, first time trying bison. Let's see how this goes. See you on that next one, guys. Delicious. Hey, how you like the bison burger? Can you describe it for me?
It's pretty good. This burger's pretty fat.
Okay. But what do you like? Does it taste like real beef or like what?
Well, I don't know. Yeah, it tastes like real beef. It tastes like beef I never had.